Keep your chips warm and fresh with this PYY Nacho chip warmer. I'm so excited to unbox this chip warmer since I have a party coming up, and I think it would be the perfect time to use it. It comes with the chip warmer itself, as well as a scoop and a handy instruction manual. This chip warmer could not be easier to install. All you need to do is plug it in, wait a few minutes, and you'll have perfectly warm chips. How it works is the PYY Nacho chip warmer prevents the loss of natural oils and eliminates the need to frequently replace stale chips. It keeps chips hot, fresh, and crispy by only using hot air that's circulated through the distribution panels at the base of the cabinet. This means there's no moisture being added, so your chips will stay fresh and not get soggy. It's made from heavy-duty stainless steel frames and tempered plate glass. The Nacho warmer machine is durable to use. You can also use this cabinet-style countertop snack warmer to warm nachos, peanuts, and even popcorn. Okay, so now with any Amazon gadget, we need to test how easy it is to clean. Well, this chip warmer is super easy to clean. Wipe it down the inside of the chip warmer and the removable crumb tray, and it's as simple as that. This chip warmer is ideal for restaurants, home, parties, and sporting events.